Hello guys, and good morning. I just decided to do a spontaneous live streaming here with chart analysis of the previous week. Give me 1 second, I will get the music a bit. I will mute it down a bit. Wait a sec.
The administration was who agreed with Lincoln. Agree with Lincoln, which be.
So let's get back to the charts here. A lot is going on in the world, as you know. Iran was bombed by the US tonight. I'm putting on my t-shirt. As you probably might know. So that's what is happening in the world. And yeah, so spontaneous analysis, a weekly review. Let's jump directly into it. I think I'll do a Rumble stream as well. Let's get the information out on Twitch as well. So here we go. I do a check on Twitch. 1 moment. Oh, a code was sent there. 1 sec. Okay, so here we go. What is my... Am I live right now or not? I should be. Yeah. Oh, I am live, okay. Good, good. Very good. Okay, so So here we are on gold. If we go on the 1 hour time frame, you can see we have a DRT range here, relative equal lows, and a high, swing high. So price opened here with a high of week and went down to the upper quarter, extreme premium, premium, and then discount, and ended as I marked out to the fair value gap of the 25%. Guys, let me know in the comments if you can hear me well. A little bit of music running here in the background. So 6 PM opening, midnight, range created, a little bit taken out, then reversal in New York, and Asia range hit the 25% fair value gap, and strong reversal or retracement, however you want to see it, for these two relative equal highs here, and the new day opening gap, closing price here. This was a shortened day, so on the higher time frame you would see it as 1 day, but our time frame here, these are this shows you realistic targets and real targets for the day. Yeah, London created the low of the day, strong displacement with a breaker here, then price went lower for the where the reversal started, 8:30, then 9 AM, 8:50 macro, price went into the 75% fair value gap, and basically bumped it around here. Yeah, that's it from this perspective. So guys, I will put my camera here on this hand side, my window, so you can see it. Right. Okay, so let's check out GBP. We have the MSI market structure shift daily, higher time frame or daily time frame. Relative equal lows got taken out. I'll go to the 50-minute time frame so you can see it. The relative equal lows, DRT high, giving range high. Price dropped strongly for them, into them on Wednesday. And then retracement back to the 50% and close around the 25% level on Friday. This is Wednesday, by the way. Maybe we'll make a photo, screenshot here. Monday, high of the week, Wednesday low of the week. So, as you can see, Wednesday. Yeah, I'll screenshot this as well here. So Wednesday. Here we have Friday. That is interesting. This range high here, taken out and price dropped massively in London for the relative equal lows here. Interesting. Here we have AMD. Opening into the 25% level. The leading range. DRT level, 25 DRT level. In New York. So, and what is the euro doing, or what has the euro done? Friday. Let's make a photo. So, what did we call lows? Yeah, so basically price went from the 25 DRT into the 50 DRT. Nothing very interesting on euro dollar. The euro, to be precise. Yeah, guys, I hope, as I mentioned, you can hear me well. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's it. And the DXY. Yeah, what I've come to realize is that the less indicators or no indicators and the less lipstick I use, the better I can see the price action. So guys, dollar, a lot of accumulation. I will mark out here. I need a fair value gap at the 50% level. Oh, we have the, now we have it. We have the new opening gap here, which fits perfectly, and the fair value gap. So we can use both. What is this, 15 minute? Yeah, 15 minute. The 15 minute above, 5 minute I think it is. No, 1 hour, I don't need 1 hour. We take the 5 minute. That's a bit big. Too big in my opinion. Yeah, that's a bit too big. 15 minutes is better. So. The price is bound strongly, I would say, because the value gaps here are the barriers. That's even what I wanted. I want 30 minutes. Yeah, that's even better. I can make the range a bit smaller here. The value gap area. Yeah, that's better. So, right. Okay, guys. Yeah. Have I done NQ? I think I have, right? Yeah, NQ is always very technical. So we got relative equal highs here above, which are a good target. Relative equal highs. Okay guys, I think we discussed, no, didn't, no, we started with gold. Yeah, I forgot. So here's the DRT range, two vertical lows, the high, vertical lows got taken out, then price strongly displaced to the upside with the 25%, 50% into the 75%. Okay, you know what? I gotta check something here. What is the first presentation of Monday? Oh, it's here. Okay. Okay, anyway, so and we need to mark out here a fair value gap as well. %. Yeah, the new week opening gap is good for it. A bit big, but let's take it. It's too big. My gusto. Do we have another level anywhere here? Not really. Here somewhere. Yeah, here's a 5-minute fair value gap. Let's take this one here. That's fine. Yeah. That's a good level here. Okay, so as you can see, oh, but that's not midnight. What happened here? Oh, okay. So overnight range, starting here, price accumulated here. London went into the 5-minute fair value gap. 7 AM, price moved strongly higher into the 75% through the 50 DRT. New York opening. The 5-minute time frame didn't give us any entry opportunity, but the 1 minute around 9:40, 9:45 the high was created. I actually entered it on the paper account, and from the very moment it inverted here and it hit the fair value gap. But I took partials very early on. Basically, I think it was at this value gap here, and these lows got taken out. So 50% got hit, went below it, went up, accumulated a bit, and displaced lower again. Finally, for the sell side here to the 25%, into midnight level and below, and into this humongous fair value gap here near the opening gap. Near the opening gap actually was not hit, but the fair value gap got hit, as you can see on the right hand side here. And afterwards accumulation, not much more going on. So the short term GRT is actually this low here and these relative equal highs, but it will get a bit messy here. That's what I mean. Yeah, I will get rid of it, so I just let this low here and marked out here the relative equal highs, as you can see. Okay guys, that's it from my side. Aha, and the next week, yeah, let's check out the next week, the coming week, what is awaiting us, what awaits us from the news perspective. Guys, like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and news. Monday, the Euro PMI, London session, 3:30 PMI, and at 4, medium news 4:30. So Monday is packed with red news. GBP as well, US dollar, quarter to 10, red news PMI. So Monday can be very volatile. Tuesday, 8:30 on the CAD, CPI, 10, red news, BOE on the pound, 10 the US dollar Fed Chair Powell testifies, Aussie dollar as well later on in the day, 9:30 PM, Wednesday, red news 10 AM, US dollar, Powell testifies, Thursday, 8:30, red news, final GDP, 10 pending home sales, medium news, orange news, and Friday on the Euro, Spanish flash CPI, and CAD dollar, US dollar, 8:30 red news, PC price index on the dollar, and 10 AM orange news, the US dollar. So basically packed with news events. Right. Okay guys, that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.